With the release of Nikon's new ZR, Canon's compact yet powerful C50 cinema camera, and the ongoing rumors of a Sony FX3 II, the world of cameras has rarely felt this exciting. Each brand is pushing boundaries in both photography and filmmaking, giving creators new ways to express their vision. Adding to this firestorm of innovation is a surprising but increasingly believable rumor. DJI, the company best known for its drones, stabilizers, and gimbal systems, may soon release its very first full-frame mirrorless camera. If this happens, it could be one of the most significant shifts in the industry in years, as DJI brings its stabilization expertise, close relationship with Hasselblad, and deep roots in video creation to the traditional camera market. The speculation surrounding a DJI mirrorless body, rumored to be announced around September 18, 2025, has quickly become a hot topic among photographers and filmmakers worldwide. The idea of DJI entering the mirrorless camera space is not completely out of the blue. The company already plays a major role in visual storytelling with its drones like the Mavic and Air series, its handheld gimbals such as the Ronin line, and its compact cameras in the Osmo range. DJI has always shown an ability to innovate in areas that combine hardware and software for creators. By stepping into the mirrorless market, DJI would be expanding its reach from aerial and stabilized imagery into the heart of traditional professional workflows, where cameras like the Sony A7 series, Canon EOS R lineup, and Panasonic S series dominate. For years, many in the industry have wondered when or if DJI would take this leap. Now, with mounting rumors and credible leaks, it looks more possible than ever. One of the strongest rumors tied to this potential release is that DJI will adopt the L-mount system for its new camera. The L-mount, developed by Leica and shared through the L-mount alliance with Panasonic and Sigma, is becoming increasingly attractive for new players. By joining the alliance, DJI would instantly give its users access to a wide library of professional lenses, ranging from Leica's premium glass to Sigma's affordable and versatile options. This would eliminate the difficult uphill task of developing an entirely new lens system from scratch, while at the same time signaling DJI's commitment to producing a body that can compete at the highest levels of both still photography and video. An L-mount mirrorless from DJI would immediately stand alongside Panasonic's S series and Sigma's FP line, giving creators even more choice. Rumors also suggest that the DJI mirrorless will carry a full-frame sensor, possibly in the 44 to 45 megapixel range. If true, that would place it in direct competition with cameras like the Sony A7R5 and Canon R5, which are widely regarded as workhorses for hybrid shooters who need both high-resolution stills and powerful video performance. A 45-megapixel sensor would also give DJI's camera enough flexibility to shoot richly detailed photos while delivering oversampled sharp video footage. Pair that with DJI's potential use of Hasselblad's color science. Thanks to the company's close ties to the medium-format camera maker, and we could be looking at a body that delivers both technical precision and beautiful film-like colors. This blending of Hasselblad's imaging heritage with DJI's engineering expertise is one of the most exciting aspects of the rumor. The design of the rumored camera is another point of speculation. Early reports suggest it could follow a boxy, video-centric design similar to Sony's FX3, with a compact body, top handle options, and built-in features for filmmakers. There are also claims that an electronic viewfinder could be mounted in the corner, much like Panasonic's S1H, creating a hybrid identity that appeals to both filmmakers and photographers. DJI has long been admired for its industrial design in drones and gimbals, which are sleek, functional, and forward-thinking. If that same design philosophy makes its way into a mirrorless camera, we may see something that feels familiar to traditional shooters, while also introducing new design ideas that push the category forward. Stabilization is another area where DJI would have a chance to stand out. The company has spent years perfecting gimbals and software-based motion correction, making it the undisputed leader in stabilized video. Bringing that expertise to a mirrorless body could result in a camera with best-in-class in-body image stabilization, a feature that is now considered essential for both photography and video work. If DJI manages to integrate advanced stabilization in a compact and efficient way, it could leapfrog ahead of existing competitors. This would be especially appealing for creators who already use DJI drones or handheld gimbals, since the company could create a seamless ecosystem across devices. The video capabilities of the DJI Mirrorless are also expected to be ambitious. While exact specifications are not confirmed, rumors suggest high frame rates in 4K and possibly even 6K or 8K recording. Given the industry's current trajectory, it would not be surprising to see DJI push into these areas, especially considering its reputation for innovation. If the company can deliver high bitrate codecs, professional color profiles, and advanced cooling systems, it could win the attention of filmmakers who are always searching for compact yet powerful tools. Combined with strong photo capabilities, this would make the camera a true hybrid in the spirit of today's market demands. Of course, not everything is certain, and much of what is being discussed remains speculative. DJI has not officially confirmed any announcement for September 18th, though many sources suggest mid-September is when news could drop. Some say the date could be September 15th instead, which would align with other product release cycles. The details around price, availability, and feature set are also completely unknown. This means that while the rumors are strong, there is still a chance that the camera either won't arrive in 2025 or will be positioned differently than expected. It's important to treat the leaks with some caution while acknowledging that the pieces of evidence are starting to add up. If the DJI Mirrorless does become a reality, the impact on the industry could be significant. The camera market has been dominated by a few key players for decades, and while new entrants like Panasonic and Sigma have found their space, it is rare for a brand outside of traditional photography to jump in at the highest level. DJI, however, is uniquely positioned to do so. Its background in drones means it already develops small, powerful imaging systems with excellent stabilization. Its acquisition of Hasselblad gave it access to expertise in color and image quality. And its global reach and brand recognition ensure that any new product will instantly capture attention. For many creators who already use DJI products, a mirrorless camera would be a natural extension of the tools they trust. It is also worth considering how DJI's entry could push existing brands to innovate further. Sony, Canon, and Nikon are already in fierce competition, with each company rapidly refreshing its lineup. If DJI introduces a strong hybrid camera with unique features, it could pressure these giants to respond more quickly with improvements in design, software, and pricing. In this way, even if you are not directly interested in switching to a DJI camera, you may still benefit as a creator from the ripple effects their entry creates.